The College of Staten Island's Doctor of Physical Therapy program, located in Building 5N on the 204-acre Sunnyside campus, is entering its 30th year with CAPD accreditation. Accepting only 20 students per year, CSI professors are personally motivated for your success. We offer academic, professional, and financial mentorship, provide welcome kits, and pay for licensure review courses and study guides. Our student outcomes are proof of our success with 100% licensure pass rate, employment, and retention rate. In short, 100% of our accepted students graduate and pass licensure.
Hi, my name is Danielle, and I'm the class of 2022. Leading up to when I applied to PT school, I worked as an aide and volunteered in several different settings with PTs and PT students from many different programs. One thing that always stood out to me was that the CSI PTs and students were on another level. They were consistently more knowledgeable, more empathetic, had better clinical skills, and were more dedicated to continuing to educate themselves and improve their skills. I chose CSI because those are the qualities I hope to embody as a physical therapist, and what better school to go to than one that consistently instills those values in all of their students.
Hi, I'm Ariella, class of 2022, and in this program, students are constantly working together and helping each other out. Having such a small class size, we are able to really get to know each other and support each other every step of the way. In addition, the professors get to know us and are always willing to do what they can both inside and outside the classroom. We have advisors constantly checking in and even individual meetings to create a specific study plan for each and every student to help them prepare for licensure. Being in such a nurturing environment has helped me feel comfortable to ask questions, take initiative, make friends, and mentors. At CSI, I truly feel we're all in this together.
All of your courses will be in Building 5N. Even our clinical anatomy course with Human Cadaver Dissection Lab is located in our building. We are very proud of this recent addition, which opened in 2019. In addition to the clinical outcomes, the CSI Department of Physical Therapy faculty are world known for their research accomplishments. Having brought in $5 million in grants over the past 5 years, students work collaboratively with faculty through their capstone projects to add to the knowledge base of physical therapy. In this video, a gentleman with spinal cord injury is utilizing a Lokomat, a robotic gait training device, in conjunction with paired transspinal and transcortical stimulation. Additional research topics include motor control of the hand, osteoarthritis and osteoporosis, biomarkers of concussion, interventions to improve function in children with neurological conditions, and the modulatory effects of different forms of electrical and magnetic stimulation applied to the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral organs. I think you can see from this video that we're very proud of both our DPT program, our students, and our graduates. But if those reasons weren't enough for you to choose CSI, please consider our low in-state tuition, among the lowest in the nation. Couple this with our 100% job placement rate, and you'll save thousands over other programs. We believe that CSI offers a quality education at an in-state tuition price. We hope you agree.